The on-road manners of the KTM 890 Adventure R. It just handles so good from if you're going in a straight line or, for just cruising. Even on this rainy day, it's not bad at all. Just tips in real nice. I like how high it is. I'm a shorter fella at around 5'6.5", and I'll have a video coming later about how that is to own with having shorter inseam, so I'll talk about that. Stay tuned for that. But the on-road manners of this bike is so good. I mean, great visibility because of the high position. Just works really well. Tips in easy in corners with that low center of gravity. Just really enjoyable to ride. Can't say enough good things about it. Even in the wind and the rain, this bike feels very stable. Transmission is smooth, whether I'm using the quick shifter or just regular shifting. I've commented before, the brakes have been improved on the 890. At least the front brake. The back brake does feel about the same as the 790. Here I am coming out about 2,000 RPM, plenty of grunt. Even though this is an adventure bike, it's lots of fun to drive on the street. See, the wind is blowing today. Lots of rain. We're still having fun. You can put it in 6th gear and it just, let's see, at around 60 miles per hour. Well, that was a strong gust of wind. That got my attention. Even around 60 miles an hour, feels like it's going to be turning over around 4,000 RPM or so, which is great. Yeah, a little side wind caught me back there. It definitely got my attention. Get up to 60 here and look at the tach. See what that looks like. So we're in 5th gear, 60, over 4.5. Then we slip it into 6th gear and go get to 60. And just around 4, or even just a tad under 4 if I put it at 60. It's like 3,900, 38. So just motor just isn't working at all. Well, that's great. And there's still, even at 6th gear, if you twist the throttle, lots of grunt.